Alright guys, first chutney of the year, and this is a spiced tomato chutney. So we got about just over a kilogram of tomatoes, all different sorts in there. Black mustard seeds, ground cloves, smoked paprika, cinnamon stick, 2 red peppers, and I got 3 chilies there. I want 1 or 2. I'm not sure which ones to use yet. We got 2 different types. So we got a red habanero, which is a bit warm, and a friar's hat. So I'll try that. Soft brown sugar, white wine vinegar, raisins, an apple, and 3 cloves of garlic. Oh, a couple of onions. So the first thing I'm going to do is get the vinegar cooking, boiling, I suppose you want to call it. 500ml should do it. Yeah, it's a 500ml bottle. There's no point using 450, is there? That's going to take ages, so I'll just leave that running in there. I'll tell you what we'll do. We'll get the weighing out the way. About 350 grams of soft brown sugar. It's going to be most of that packet, I reckon. Let's get the top off. No, it's a bit too heavy. I'm going to leave it at that. I'm going to leave it at 300 because I want to put an apple in there now. I don't normally use an apple, but I'm going to. 100 grams of raisins. Are they going to fit on there? So that's 300. Take that to 400. That'll do. Let's test them out of the way. There we are. Right in. Let's get the peppers in. I'm just taking most of the white pith out. It can go bitter. Probably not going to matter so much in a chutney, but you know, we'll do it right, don't we? With the bigger ones, it's easier to do this, rolling it, but this is a bit too small. Too tightly wound up. In with the apple. This is an apple off my allotment. This is L Star. It's a very, very nice apple in as well. I like chutneys. You can just chuck anything you want in, really. If it don't work, make it different next time, you know. It's boiling away fast, that is. So in with the soft brown sugar and raisins. In with the cinnamon stick. I'll do the spices in a minute. Right, I'm going to decide on this pepper now. Now don't laugh, guys, this chilli. Just going to have a quick... That's too hot. That is too hot. Excuse me. Let's get on with the onion while I get my breath back. I didn't think that habanero was coming to anything, but it has. It's gone now. It's not too hot. Then again, I had a little quick lick, didn't I? So, will I ever learn? I doubt it. Fairly finely chopped. Right, I got my breath back now. Right, let's try this one. Because this is the hottest part of the chili, you know that. Yeah, that'll be all right. Just take the seeds out of that one. This is friar's hat or bishop's crown, is it? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, bishop's crown, that's it. God, a little bit of spice in your chutney. This is more of, I think this is more of a, yeah, more of a flavoursome chilli. It's not really hot. Perhaps they haven't matured enough yet. I'm going to go on with those tomatoes pretty soon. Oh no, it's got a bit of heat to it. It's got a bit of heat coming through now. 3 garlic cloves. My shaking jars there, let's use that. It does work to an extent, yeah it does. It's cooking away a bit too fast. I get those tomatoes in pretty quick. Right, let's get those tomatoes in. We've got a right mix over here. We've got Tiger Toms, we've got Zlatava, and they should be nice and red inside. Oh yeah, lovely, lovely, lovely. Yeah, so I'm just going to chop these. Get them in. And now we've got to warm it up again because it's cooling down. We've got some stonor in there as well. These are the... Are they stonor? No, yeah they are. Some of these are stonor. They're almost the same colour actually. Yeah. I like a nice chutney. I like making different ones every year because if you always do the same, you know what I mean, it's just a bit... I'll do one or two I like. I must, yeah, of course I will. But I like trying different ones. And this one, I've never put apple in the tomato chutney before, so this will be what's different this time. Yeah, so we've got my own onions, my own tomatoes, my own chilies, and my own peppers. Yeah, so that's good. Right then, the spices. I think that's nearly everything, isn't it? Right, let's do the cloves first. Don't want much. 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, ground cloves. It can be very overpowering. That's that one. Teaspoon of black mustard seeds this time. I might put a few more in actually. Yeah, I'm going to put 1.5 teaspoons. Because I'm making slightly more than the recommended my old recipe. 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. So I'm going to do a heat one and a level one. And give it all a good stir in. And now guys, it's just sit back and enjoy, if you're patient enough. At least an hour, probably 1.5 hours. Come back out here or come back in the kitchen every now and again, give it a stir. You don't want it to catch on the bottom. And I'm going to turn it down anyway to a gentle simmer. See you in about an hour. Tidy up now. Tell you what, I'm quite liking the heat of that habanero now. We have a little, am I going to be brave enough to have a little nibble? As soon as you put it to your mouth, you can smell it's hot, you know? It's got a little bit of a chocolatey taste to it. Yeah, no, save that one. Save that one. Here we are then, that's been 15 minutes, quarter of an hour now. Starting to break down nicely. Back in a bit. Right, we're nearly there. Just about to leave a trench along the bottom when I drag the spoon along. So another 5 minutes. I don't want to leave it too much longer because I don't want to burn it. Okay, that'll do. Fine, let's get off the heat. Okay, all freshly sterilised. They've cooled down a bit now, so I'm not too worried. And sterilised the what you call it funnel. Couldn't think of the word. Maybe Bill, we've got to get the cinnamon stick out. Here it is. Oh, I tell you what. Just the merest hint of warmth to it. It's more of a sweet chutney actually. So let's see how much we get out of this then. I reckon I only get two, no. Yeah, 2 jars maybe. Yeah, I reckon, yeah, it's not worth saving that little bit there. So, let's give it a wipe down because I made a bit of a mess. Damp tea towel just to wipe the mating surface. New lid. New lid. Okay, a quick label with the date on. I get them the same height. Well, there we are, guys. Another nice simple chutney, the first one of the year for me. Slightly spicy tomato chutney. It's quite sweet, this one, so if you're doing it and you don't like it too sweet, leave a bit of the sugar out. I hope you have a go at this one, and if you do, let me know how you get on. Meanwhile, look after yourselves, take care, and I'll catch you on that next recipe.